The other thing that happens is when we look at the trajectory of the dog, we're looking at the center of gravity, but the legs and the head and the tail are doing things around that center of gravity. So when the dog first lifts off, the head raises, the tail goes down, which helps the dog to aim upwards. After passing the apex of the trajectory, the dog's head lowers, tail goes up, rear legs go up, and again, that aims him down at the ground. And so when you look at this in a drawing, you have, first of all of this horizontal propulsion from the dog, and then you get some degree of vertical propulsion driven by the extension of those front legs, along with some continued horizontal propulsion from the rear legs. And then everything in the air, the dog is slowing down, but continuing to fly because of that horizontal propulsion. And then they lean forward, and now there's the effects of gravity where they come down and land and absorb some of that pressure and then continue on horizontally. This is a video of my little Norwich Terrier, and what she shows very clearly is collection and extension of her strides as she goes down this set of poles. Big strides, little ones, big, little, tiny, little, big. And you can see she gets to the end. And that's basically what it looks like. Figure eights, that trains your dog to change leads. And you saw a dog on the video doing that. While the dog is going counterclockwise, he's going to be using the left lead. Then he changes leads in the middle and he goes clockwise around the left-hand set of jumps. And now he's going to be going using the right lead. Why do we want the dog to learn to use both leads? Well, guess what? He does a go out, he turns and sits. Most dogs are sided. They prefer one side over the other. So they might head towards, let's say, the right-hand jump. Maybe they're on the left lead. They need to know how to change to that right lead because they're going to be turning to the right as they go over that jump, and the reverse for the jump that's on the left side.